Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo Edge again. Do a little unboxing. Yeah. What are you laughing at?
I'm laughing at you.
Why are you laughing at me?
Goofy.
Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of this rake, which I already unboxed basically last night, and then I did a video. I unboxed it here earlier, but I was streaming and my video quality wasn't as good as it should have been because it still hasn't streamed. So I wanted to redo it because it is a. I wanted to redo it because I wanted to show as best quality as I could since it's unboxing. So this is a rake folding knife. That's it right there. And so we got that. So product since 1998, and this Phoenix lights. They're made by Flashlight Company, and they've been getting pretty good reviews. All right, I'm gonna pop on Amazon and show you this puppy here. Let's see, bam. All right, so here's what I bought. It was $44. There's only one in stock right now. So we're going to leave it there. We're going to unbox it because the pictures, this is what they show on Amazon. The picture really don't do it justice. So hopefully my picture will do it justice. So let's go and back to this screen and unbox it. Oh yeah, smash that bell so you get notifications of when I do other videos. Alright, so here's the rake, practical knives and tools. I already, like I said, I opened it last night, and I kind of looked at it, and I opened it again today, did a video, but my quality of my video wasn't that great. So this was attached to it too. I need to bring my camera up. This was attached to it. So that's what it looked like. It came with this thing right there. So it came with the rake. You got a little, kind of like a little catalog. Looks like the dude's slashing a tire. And some other products they have. So this is some other ones. They all come with ball bearings. This is a really popular one. This 801 SF. That's a really popular one. A lot of people buy that. Do reviews on that. What's that? A fixed blade, like a sheath. Okay, so there's kind of the catalog. It's got ready to make folding knife series. Oh, here's the picture of the picture of it. It's a harpoon shape with the extra lock on it. It has a frame lock. Thanks, it gives you a thanks for buying this stuff. Product warranty replaces identical for defects 15 days of the purchase. 5-year repair. You get repair. So that's that. I don't know how good it would be, but that's, and this probably is the warranty card. They actually give you a warranty card. Dealer name, customer name, contact address. Note: complete warranty card should be returned together with the warranty item to dealer. So there's, and if you learn Chinese, rake, here's what it looks like in China. But anyways, okay, so that's the stuff you get in with the box. Put that away, and we will take a look at the knife. And here's the knife, the way it looks like outside. It's a sharp little stainless steel looking knife. This, I believe, a bead blast. Yeah. So if you see the show side, there's nothing. There's no screws. It's just like a smooth look, really smooth looking. The other side is your frame lock. Has the lock. You can't do it until it's open. And it goes all the screws. Has of course a flipper. So, and there's flipped out. It's catching my light. It's a really sharp. I don't know if you. It has like just it just catches the light so cool. It goes from like dark to bright. It just is really nice color. Let's see. The Ruike, the side. Curious. So here's a basically drop shut, out and in. Has this when you can lock it, so if you're doing very tight work, you know, like you're all right in there.
All right, water went down the wrong way.
Okay, so that way it won't come out on you, which I don't know if it would or not, but that's just extra precaution if you're doing heavy work with it. Maybe it might need a little oil. I bet if I put a little drop of oil in there, it'd even be smoother. But it's smooth right now. Let's go ahead and back out here and look at the Amazon. Look at the Amazon. That's where I bought it. Pop over to Amazon.
You're at Amazon.
Ah, you're Amazon. Okay, let's see. So I spent $44 for it on Prime. There's some pictures of it. Oh my god, it's sharp looking. See it close. You guys all can do. Oh, this is the extra beta plus safety lock. This, of course, a frame lock. There's like a, oh, that's weird. It don't blow that picture up, but it blows the up. Why don't it blow that picture up? That's weird. There's that and that. All right. So that's. Let's see. Go back over here. And like I said, like this is the second time I did this video. There's one, still says there's one in stock. Razor sharp is true. Let's see. Well, I'll do before when I go back. I'll cut some phone book paper for you to show you how sharp it is, and it's sharp. It's a Samvic 1428 cryogenic treatment with high solid. So it's some cryogenic, whatever that. I know that's cold, but chromium roller bearings. Let's see anything that pops out. Close. This close is 4.88 inches long. The length of the blade is 3.66. 100% money back guarantee. Looks like one you can find one used for $34. And that's what some other people. Oh, it has. That's what I've seen. If you see, it has 4.5 stars out of 5 with 42 ratings. Only has one. See, so majority of them are 5 stars, 67%. All right. Well, okay. I'm gonna pop back over here and go back to the live screen. Here's the knife and here's the paper. Oh, that didn't look good. Oh, what the crap. Maybe I might have a burr on it. Let's try this again. It is sharp. There it goes. You see that. So, it just gets that paper on there. I know it is sharp. It's just I don't like that edge. That it's sharp. They're okay, but see, I know it shaves. You go shave sharp. Yeah, you can hear it. You can see it. That's from the factory. Factory edge with shaven sharp hair. Yeah, there you go. Some hair on that blade. Anyways. So, yeah. See a little fast swoop on it. Yeah, okay. So, there's, I guess, harpoon. Very nice, sharp looking knife. Okay, well, I think that wraps this one up. I think I got deep carry. Oh, that's what I did last time. Yeah. You know, the box actually works as a good. If this was your pocket, yeah, nice black, it would feel like it would look like this in your pocket. So that's how far it comes out. And there's a lanyard hole, but it's kind of far down. It would be so if you put the lanyard in, it'd actually stick out that far. But it's deep carries. You just have that little tip coming out. So that's pretty cool. And there's G10 for the backstop. Blade centering looks pretty spot on to me. Yeah. So I'm trying to. So I guess this is the second time I did this video, so I'm making sure I didn't. I thought I covered it, but I might not have. But oh, this is nice. The pocket clip. It actually they milled the actual where it sits down in there, so it's really sharp knife for $40, $44. I mean, it's really a nice knife. All right. Well, we're gonna wrap this one up. I already went 12 minutes on this one, so if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and ring that bell so you get more notifications of my videos. All right, see ya. Bye.